Okay, Patrick. I have made you some squash. Yep, you're gonna be trying it for the first time. We didn't do good with sweet potatoes, so I cooked you some squash. Okay, are you ready? It's orange. Yep, it's right down there. Okay, here we go. Here we go, big bite. Oh, good job. Good job. You got it. Keep it in. Okay, hold on, let's try again. Ready? Yay! Good job, buddy. That is squash. I think he likes it. Another bite. Yummy! Yummy! Fantastic! Another bite. Another bite. Another bite. Oh, yummy! Oh, good job. Yes. Oh my gosh, he's doing it. I can't believe it. He's eating something. Good job, pal. Sticking your tongue out to get more. How is it? Is it good? Hey, is it good? Is it good?